Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube Live. Today we are diving into Pandas. Well, Pandas is a powerful Python library which is used for data manipulation, analysis, and to do various analysis functions on data. So first, let's import the Pandas library as import Pandas alias name does PD. So there are some important functions in Python, like first creation. There are two types of data frames in Pandas. First is series. So series is one-dimensional or a single column holding any type of data. Like it can have a teacher, string, float. So this is data is the Panda series. Can make multi-dimensional or a two-dimensional data frame by using keyword called data frame. Can have any number of columns like column 1. I'm making 2 rows. Column 2. So data 1 variable is a data frame. Instead of that, we can first create a dictionary as first name. So this is the first column, and second column we are making as age, and in third column is Steve. So these are the 3 columns. pd.dataframe is used to convert the dictionary into data frame. So this is the data frame. These are the uh, these are the functions used to create the data frame and series in Pandas. And next, for inspection or for loading the data, we use read CSV, read JSON, or read Excel functions. If you want to read a CSV file, our code will be read.pd dot read CSV and the file name or file path. File, and there are other parameters like encoding. If the file has other type of encoding, we use encoding. And to read Excel file, our code will be pd.read Excel, and this is our file path. Next, for inspection, we use head, tail, various other functions. If our data frame is df dot head, use the first 5 rows. We so pd dot head 2 gives only 2 rows. By default, it takes as 5 rows, and pd dot tail gives bottom 2 rows. pd dot info gives all the information like data types. Use all the information like what are the nulls, what are the data types of the column, and df dot describe use all the statistical measures like mean, median, standard deviation. And if you want to convert the part data frame into strings, we use pd dot toString to convert the data frame into string, and df dot shape gives the shape of the data frame, and df dot size gives the size of the data frame. We want to add other column, we can so we have manipulated the data frame by adding another column. We can even add rows. To filter the data, we use uh, each. These functions so filter data gives only one row. For selection or indexing, we use ilog or log functions. Log functions gives the number of rows by assigned by their label, and ilog gives the selected number of rows or columns by their integer value. If we take an example, ilog the first renaming function. So we can rename a column by using rename function as renaming column name by using full name and each column is renamed as years in place equals to true, which changes the original data frame. Columns as renamed. So we can see name is replaced as full name and age is replaced with years. To drop a column or a row, we use drop function df dot drop years column, which is in axis 1. We are changing the original data frame. So years column has been removed. We can remove the column also. Dropping it. Dropping the column. We use index. We use one with to true. The first index has been removed. First index box. First, we can we can drop the row by using index equals to 1 or 0. To sort the values, we use sort values by the column name, and to sort the uh, for sorting, there is other function called index, which can be sorted based on index value. Next, to check if the data frame contains any missing values, we use df.isNull. It gives output as a true or false. If we want to count number of missing values in a data frame, we use dot sum function. So there are no missing values. We fill a missing value in a column. As there is no missing values in each column, there is no each column. There is any missing value in the data frame, we fill using fill now function. There is no missing values. This function cannot be executed. To drop the missing values in a column or a row, we use drop now. Drop now in place equals to 2. This is for rows, as axis default is 0. Dropping the missing values in column, we use axis equals to 1, in place equals to 2. Next, group by function. This is used to group the data based on certain column. Input data equals to df dot by column. As there are no numerical values, it's not giving any values. If you want to add, there is other column called age. Now we are grouping by city and regional, and group the based on age. If you want to, okay, that's it for today. Thank you.